Hello, class. Today we're going to do another Magic E activity. I have a poster up here that shows us what the Magic E does. Remember, a Magic E is an E that is at the end of the word, like this word, C-U-T-E. The magic of the E is that it can jump back over a sound in a word and zap the vowel to make the vowel say its name. So this E is going to jump back, zap the U, and make the U say you. So as we sound out this word, do it with me. Cute. We've got the word cute. Now remember, that E works on all vowels. It can zap the A, the E, the I, the O, and the U. So let me show you the activity that I have planned for you today. It's called Under the Sea. On each slide, you are going to see that there are sound buttons. You can both play the button to listen to the direction or play this button to hear the word. You don't have to do that. You also have the option of just reading the direction with your eyes and also thinking about what the word is. This says find the correct word. I can see right here on the shell that it's a picture of a cake. So I'm going to come down here and I need to find cake. Oh, this says k-ack, cack. Oh, look at this word. Oh, there's the magic E. Ape, cape. Oh, there's the magic E. Ache, cake. Oh, I think I found my answer, so I'm going to select it. Did you notice that it automatically sent us to the next slide? When you get it correct, that's exactly what will happen. Again, I've got my sound buttons where I can play both the directions and the word. I'm just going to read it though. Drag the letters to spell the word. And I can see this is a beehive. Ooh, and there's an H. I want to do hive, hive. Ooh, I know that says I, so I'm going to bet there's an E at the end. Now, we are going to know that an I goes in there, but I want to show you what happens if you make a mistake. So let's just pretend that I don't know it's an I and I put an A in there. Watch what happens. I click submit. Ooh, did you see that red mark? It tells me that it's wrong. It also gives me the chance to fix it. So I'm going to put my I back in there. Oh, it didn't go to the next one yet. So I'm going to say, oh, let's try this answer. As you can see, when I get it correct, it advances to the next screen. You are not going to be able to advance to the next screen until you fix what you made as a mistake. When you do fix it, it will pop you to the next screen. The slideshow will tell you when it's done. There's nothing to submit. You just need to practice your words as you go along on this slideshow. Do a good job and really sound out the words.